Welcome back. We're coming to you live from the CNBC-TV18 Motilal Oswal newsroom. Well, it's that time of the day when Nimesh joins us on D Street Chatter. Nimesh, what do you have for us today in terms of, the flows picture?
Nigel, again a day of consolidation, but in terms of flows, I believe the FIs are better sellers. So that's the overall feedback, that barring technology where there's some bit of buying interest back, the rest of the sector seems to be seeing some bit of selling pressure, largely from the FI. So that's the overall feedback. Again, we're stuck in this very narrow range for the last many weeks now. We've been 17,800 on the downside and 18,300 on the upside. So that's been the range that we've been struggling to break on either side since the January or the beginning of this year. As I said, technology is one space where there's some bit of buying interest back, but largely overall it's a mixed bag. Again, better sell is what the feedback seems to be from the most of the FI desk. Some individual reactions to results, but that's something to watch out for. But broadly, the sense is we are going to be in this range between 18,000 on the downside and maybe 18,200, 18,300 on the upside.
And hopefully nothing untoward comes out from the budget 2023. But what about individual stocks, Nimesh? What are you picking up?
So in terms of individual names, the first stock on my list today is Syngene. That stock is under pressure post-week Q3. But I believe beyond that, there is a buzz of a large block deal very soon. Remember, for almost a quarter now, there has been a strong buzz or indication that one of the promoter entity is looking to sell a large chunk, and hence that stock is under pressure today. The second stock is Concor. Again, after week Q3, the reaction was mixed from most of the brokerages, but again, there is a bit of selling pressure from the larger FIs in Concor. I guess, barring divestment, there is no further trigger for Concor, at least in the near term, and hence some bit of selling pressure there. And the last stock is Nykaa. Even Mangnung spoke about it in closing bell. A bit excited in today's trade on the back of that CFO announcement. But I believe there is a large block, nearly 0.5% equity changing hands. An FI looks to be a likely seller in today's block. So the disclosure will be important. But some bit of excitement is back in Nykaa after a large block deal and the fact that they've appointed a new CFO.
Okay, got that. Thanks, Nimesh. That's an